The moment a German Shepherd hears a strange noise, their entire body switches into guard mode. First, the ears snap forward like radar, scanning for the source. Their body stiffens, tail lifts, and eyes lock in the direction of the sound. In that instant, their brain is calculating, friend or threat. If they sense danger, the low growl comes next, and then the bark that warns, don't come any closer. What seems like seconds to you is a full risk assessment to them. So, does your shepherd charge towards strange noises, or sit back and analyze first? Tell me in the comments.